Check this out, guys. I even got a full water pump. Not even water pump, I've got a full timing belt kit. All the tensioner pulleys, the water pump, the belts, and some seals. So, oh man, just getting the whole treatment. And there we go. There's the brand new timing belt kit right there. Oh yeah, new pump, belt, balance shaft belt, tensioners. Oh man, it's gonna run great. Let's keep going. Took off the turbo, and I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but I am going 16G turbo. It's in there. Let's just put it away. But the reason I went mostly is because I ran this motor with that crappy water oil, and I wish I could show you, but this thing never had shaft play before, and then I guess when I ran it, it's jumping all around the housing now. So that's all bad. But got a replacement for that going. Removing all my old silicone hoses to put on the new one. I gotta think of a AN fitting setup for my oil feed in the water. So I gotta see what I can do there. And yeah, just keep going with the swap. I mean, it's going great, guys. Look, here's the alternator on. I gotta put the timing cover on, but the motor's sitting like really weird right here, how I got it. And I gotta reposition it so I can get that on. But it's coming along slowly but surely. I got to transfer over the transmission right now too, and all the other miscellaneous stuff. So I was trying to make a time lapse of me taking out the turbo, but I ran out of space. So I'll just show you guys what I ended up doing. All right, so we have the turbo manifold from the car. Here's the old turbo, and here's the new one. Okay, guys, here's the 16G with the stock manifolds, and here's the J-pipe. This is gonna go just like that with the little gasket. All right, we're gonna add some narration here. So I was trying to put on the flywheel, but I noticed that they had the automatic RVR pilot ring, I think it's called. So I went ahead and took that off, put on the flywheel, put some Loctite in the flywheel bolts, tighten them puppies down, make sure it was tight 3 times, clean it up. Notice there were some weird spots on it. Decided to hit it with a cleaning disc real quick. Then came around, looking for the clutch, put on the alignment tool, hit it nice and straight. Look at that go. All right, guys, so it's another day here. I already got the turbo lines. Let me show you. So I went ahead. I know you could buy this AN fitting for the oil feed online, but I had no idea when I was gonna get here. So I had one created, and I like it. It's pretty nice. So I got the oil feed going. I already got the line that's right there. This one is gonna be for the water return. It's gonna be on this side, I think it's this side, and it's gonna go to a hose, as you can see. That's right here, because I couldn't get it on the other side. I saw that it was just too close to the engine block, so that wasn't gonna work with the end fitting. So it's gonna have to be one of these on the other side. So I'm gonna make this work real quick, mock it up. If not, just bolt it down while I'm there and see how it looks. look at that. That looks great. I wish I had a different colored water hose, but that'll work for now. The J pipe is on and everything. I just gotta get the gas. I gotta make the gasket. I have the gasket maker over there. I gotta tighten it all down, and it should be good. I just gotta bolt up, or I gotta cap up the oil filter housing feed line for the stock 25 T25 because I don't have that anymore, obviously. And then the I'm gonna start replacing some of these silicone hoses. I think there's just 2 left, and oh man, get it swapped over into the car sometime this week, maybe next week. All right guys, let me show you what I got real quick. I got a whole bunch of new stuff. Here's a new motor mount. I think this is the driver's side mount. This is the, I think that's the transmission mount. This is the power steering belt. Some spark plugs and UK blues. Fuel filter, the one I have is pretty broken. And another mount. I think this is for the very front. And let me show you the progress. Look at that. Got the covers on. The center one broke. Sorry. Got those going. I got the pulleys for the pump on. I got the crankshaft pulley, alternator. The power steering pump, I can get that on later since it's on the very top. Easy to get on, bolted, ready to go. Yeah, I even went ahead and looked at the intake. You guys see that's an RVR intake, I guess. I don't know if the RVR or the Evo 3 is the same thing, but I don't know. I guess I got that. It doesn't have the EGR piping, so that's a big old plus for me. I got the intercooler piping that's gonna go right here. I noticed this is broken. Hopefully it'll still work. If not, I'll see if I can swap off mine and put it onto this one. Other than that, boys and girls, we're almost done. I just need to get it on the car. And just I'm fixing up little miscellaneous things on it, like these little this little 2 vacuum lines right here were pretty bad to hell. Fix those up. And yeah. Yep.